and a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets graded between positive and negative zone in the past 24 hours, with leading cryptocurrencies, the Bitcoin and Ethereum, charting different ways. Although the selling pressure triggered by the American digital asset management company and subsidiary of Digital Currency Group, Grayscale, has subsided, but investors are not taking much chance ahead of the Federal Reserve decision on interest rates later in the day. Bitcoin hovers near $43,000 mark. The IC15 index, the barometer of top 15 tokens, is 0.65% to 55,142. As we know, the Grayscale transferred Bitcoin more than $5 billion since January 12th, but the latest transfer of 8,670 BTC is the smallest volume so far. Meanwhile, over the first 12 trading days since approval on Jan 10th, the new ETFs have seen total net inflows topping $1 billion. Investors await the Fed's rate decision, which as per the Fed funds futures market is likely to remain unchanged. Investors would monitor the shift in central bank's policy stance, if any, in the post-meeting statement and Fed Chairman Jerome Powell's remarks. The global crypto market cap is $1.65 trillion, a 0.65% decrease over the last day. Interestingly, the crypto market traded $65 billion during the last 24 hours, with Bitcoin accounting for $23 billion of the volume and Ethereum $10 billion. Overall, Bitcoin dominance has remained high while Ethereum has fluctuated, rising to 19% shortly after the Bitcoin ETFs were listed, only to decline back to 17%. US stock futures traded mixed as investors focused on the tech earning release and Fed rate decision. Futures tied to the S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 futures traded lower, while Dow Jones Industrial Average futures gained 0.14%. BTC was trading at $42,817, down 1.37% in the last 24 hours. Shares of Bitcoin mining company Grid Infrastructure extended their drop into the second day after the Cincinnati, Ohio-based firm completed its listing on Nasdaq this week following its merger with a special purpose acquisition company, EdTech Acquisition Corporation. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up 0.76%, trading at $2,324. The British bank Standard Chartered expects the SEC will treat spot Ether ETF applications similarly to Bitcoin ETFs and anticipates approvals on May 23rd. That should send Ethereum price surging higher by 70% from current levels and hit $4,000. BNB was down 1.78% to trade at $305. Solana SOL traded 2.9% lower at $100. Cardano's ADA token lost 4% to trade at $0.51. Doge, the popular meme coin, fell 2.1% at $0.079. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.51, down by 4.6%. Polkadot was down by 3.8% to trade at $6.75. Polygon Matic was trading up by 1.4% at $0.82. Shiba Inu was down by 2.4%. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $34.5, lower 5.9%. That's all in Coin Monitor for now. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to 3.TV, and for more information and stories, log on to our website www.3worldstv.io or scan the QR code.
With 3.TV, stay connected with the world of blockchain. Stay up to date with infinite world of NFTs. Come explore and evolve with 3.TV in the Metaverse.
So many coins, so much volatility. 3.TV delivers the news that matters.
SAP is restructuring around AI to prepare for future growth and reshape around 8,000 employees. The company plans to implement AI capabilities trained on SAP-specific data in 2024 to meet future businesses' needs. The affected employees will be covered by voluntary leave programs and internal reskilling efforts. SAP expects its current headcount to remain constant by the end of 2024. The restructuring was announced following strong financial results in Q4 2023, with a 25% increase in cloud revenue and a 27% increase in the current cloud backlog. The company will also allocate around €2 billion for the restructuring program balancing across its business units and global regions. Indonesia's Ministry of Finance reported a 62% drop in tax revenue from crypto in 2023 with a total tax revenue of $31.7 million. Crypto transactions are subject to dual taxation, a 0.1% income tax and a 0.11%, which is value added tax, also known as VAT. And local crypto exchanges contribute around 0.04% to the national crypto bourse. Despite a 159% increase in Bitcoin in 2023, Indonesia's crypto tax revenue experienced a 51% decrease in transactional volumes. Local exchanges have protested the high tax rates, proposing that crypto transactions should only be subject to income tax and not VAT. This comes as the Financial Services Authority prepares to regulate crypto from January 2025, aiming to classify crypto more as a security rather than a commodity. The total taxes on crypto transactions often exceed trading fees, raising concerns about users switching to overseas or illegal exchanges for cheaper transactions. China recorded $86.4 billion in crypto volume between July 2022 and June 2023, surpassing Hong Kong's $64 billion, according to a report by Chainalysis. This has sparked speculation that the Chinese government may be warming to cryptocurrency and Hong Kong may serve as a testing ground. The US SEC recent approval of the Bitcoin spot ETF could lead to a softening stance on crypto bans and the development of a regulatory framework. Chinese citizens are using bank cards issued by small-scale commercial banks to buy crypto through grey market dealers, believing it is safer than investing in stock and property markets. Chinese investors use OTC arrangements, online exchanges, and overseas bank accounts. Large exchanges like OKX and Binance offer trading services for Chinese investors.